Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix this error that says shipping label not available on Vinted. So first of all, you can come here either on vinted.com or inside the Vinted application. Just make sure that you sign in into your account first. Now when you are not able to basically get the shipping label, or when you see any kind of error, just make sure that if you are on the web browser you refresh the page, or if you are inside the Vinted application you can refresh it by closing the page and by reopening it. Sometimes the shipping label takes a few minutes to generate after the buyer completes the purchase. Afterwards, you need to make sure that the shipping method selected for the order is available in your area. If the chosen carrier is temporarily unavailable, Vinted may delay creating the shipping label. Now, if the label isn't available, you can also check your internet connection, and you can also update the Vinted application to the latest version. Then you can try opening the order again. Now you should also check your email boxes, as some of the shipping labels are sent by the email, or you may receive a notification if additional action is required before the label can be created. Finally, if your shipping label isn't basically still doesn't appear after some time, you can just simply come here on the contact page, and you can just simply contact to the Vintage support via the help center, and include your order number so that they can investigate the issue. So that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.